Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my project pan update. It is November now, so it's time to do my update. I am so excited about October because I got a lot of stuff done. I'm very proud of myself. I'm really trying to hit my goal of getting rid or using up 206 products, so I'm really trying here. Really trying. So let's go through the items that I am making progress on that have been in my bin, and then we will go through my spreadsheet and talk about like skincare and stuff like that. You know the drill. Okay, one item that I accidentally threw in my bin over here, my empties bin, is the mini hourglass primer I completely finished that. I got what I could out of it, so that is done. Excited about that. Another product I finished, which has been in my bin, is my collection concealer. This like has one use in it, like what's on this wand, but if I hold this up to the light, I can see in here, and I have really scraped in here. So I'm calling this done. Throwing it in my empties bin. That's super exciting. And then we have my Urban Decay bronzer, which I have hit pan on. I told you guys I could see the rings for such a long time, and I hit pan, so that is super exciting. Still says I'm at 8 grams, but the proof is in the pudding, okay? And then my contour and highlight palette. We are at 33 grams. Last time we were at 35. Making progress. I decided I'm gonna bring this into the new year. I'm going to finish this bad boy up. I can see like the sides of the pan starting to hollow out. I'm going to finish this up. I'm determined. The next we have the Tarte Classic Blush, which we have already hit pan on, but I am making that pan bigger, which is exciting. I really enjoy this blush, so I'm gonna use it up no matter if I have to bring it into the new year or whatever. I really like it. Also with this Urban Decay one, I'm going to finish it up in the new year or however long it takes me. Okay, Urban Decay Sin. This is the highlighter I've been working on. The pan has been getting bigger. I've decided that if I don't completely finish this by the end of the year, which I don't think I will, I'm just gonna toss it. I've had this in my collection for a while. And highlighters are really hard to use up. I have a plan for next year's project pan for highlighters, so I'm excited to do that. So I'm gonna use this for what it's worth and get rid of it once we hit January. With that, we are at 3 grams still. With the Tarte Classic Blush, we are at 1 gram. Before we were at 1.5. Alright, then we have the Soap and Glory lipstick I've been working on. I'll carry this on into the new year. We are about 2/5 done. I've done some calculations. We're not yet halfway, but we've made some progress since we were 1/3 of the way done last time. So getting really technical here, but I just want to show that there has been some progress on that. Okay, then we have this bad boy right here. I'm really starting to make an effort to use these eyeshadows up. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I will not... Ooh, wow. Okay, did anybody just see that? These eyeshadows just fell out, so I'm gonna pop them back in. So like I was saying, I will not be carrying this into the new year. I've had this for such a long time. I want to use up the colors that I'm really using, and there are some colors in here I kind of want to depot and put them in a Z palette. So we'll see if like that happens, but this is like just becoming a mess. Like this blue and this green, I don't really have anything like it. And if like I ever wanted to do a look with blue or green, I guess like if I keep those, that'll help me out. But anyways, we are doing really well with these three right here, and then this color right here. And the white, we have a nice dip going on. I know I won't finish up the white, but these neutral colors I really want to finish up. But again, if I don't finish it up, it's going in the trash no matter what. So I mean, you can see it's literally falling apart. So there's that. Okay, let's go on to all of the numbers that I have on my spreadsheet. Okay, so last time we were at 89 perfumes. This time we're at 88, and that is because I finished up the Bon Bon perfume. I lost the bottle. You never see the bottle in these videos because it's either downstairs in my purse. Now I've lost the bottle, but it is completely done. That's all that matters. So we have 2 perfumes left, the Marc Jacobs Dot and the pink, the Victoria's Secret Pink Fresh and Fierce. So in January, I will be introducing some new perfumes, even though I will keep the Marc Jacob one and the pink one in there as well. I'm not going to toss perfumes. I am going to use them completely up before they get tossed. Okay, so skincare. We're at 15 potted masks, and last time we were at 18, so that's great there. For sheet masks, I didn't do that well. We have 30 left, and last time I was at 31. For face cleansers, we're at 6. Last time we were at 7. For oils, we are at 4. Last time we were at 6, so that's good. For serums, we're at 7. Last time we were at 8. And then for body lotion, I am completely done. I just have 1 left that I've been working on. So I'm gonna finish that one up, and then I bought myself the Soap and Glory Righteous Butter to get back into that. So we are completely done with that for right now. And then for body wash, we are at 9 now, and we were at 10 last time. For candles, we're at 14, we were at 16 last time, and scent bulbs, we're at 33, we were at 35 last time. So I have gotten the question before about why I have so many products in like skincare, the body products, and home scents. I buy things like crazy. Some of these things, I'm a freaking hoarder, and I've collected this stuff throughout the years, and it's just now time to use them. But also, a lot of my skincare items are minis that I've gotten from like holiday sets, or from my, I do 3 subscription boxes / bags. So I do the Sephora, Ipsy, and Birchbox, so things are coming from that. Yeah, I'm just like accumulating these mini products. Obviously, some of them are full size and they take a long time to use up, but I have collected these products and not used them, especially high-end ones, because I'm afraid of them. Sorry, my dog. I'm afraid of using them up because they were so expensive, but then they go to waste. So I'm really trying to use everything up, and I'm really trying to make my dog a little bit more quiet. So as she's doing this, I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited for January to roll around so we can do a whole new Project Pan series. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.